In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Facebook ads with a debit card. Running ads on Facebook can be a game changer for your business, reaching a wide audience tailored specifically to your needs. But before you can reap the benefits of your campaign, you need to know how to fund it. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you have all the information you need to get started. Starting off, you'll want to navigate to Facebook Business Manager. This is your command center for managing your advertisements on Facebook, providing a wealth of tools and analytics to help guide your campaign strategies. If you're not already logged in, you'll see an option to do so. Click on Log in with Facebook to proceed. It's a straightforward process, especially if you're already logged into Facebook in another tab. It just streamlines everything for you. Once you're logged in, it will prompt you to choose your account. This is where you select the right business account that you want to work on or manage your ads for. It's essential to ensure you're working on the correct account to avoid any mishaps with billing or ad placement. After selecting your account, look for the ads option at the lower left panel of your screen. This is your gateway to dive deeper into your ad management. Upon clicking ads, you'll find another option that says Ads Manager. This is where the magic happens, managing and tracking the performance of your ads. However, remember, you can also directly navigate to Facebook Ads Manager by typing adsmanager.facebook.com into your browser. It's a little shortcut if you're in a rush or prefer to go directly to managing your ads. Now, for the main event, funding your ads. In Ads Manager, look for billing and payments. This section is designed to manage how you fund your ad campaigns, giving a clear overview of your spending and available payment methods. Once you're in the billing and payments section, you'll notice the option to add funds. This is where you can directly add money to your account to pay for your ads. Click on this to move to the next step. It's a proactive way to ensure your campaigns never stop running because of payment issues, especially if you're planning a long-term strategy. Next, you'll be presented with various payment methods. Here you want to select debit or credit card as your preferred option. It's a quick and secure way to fund your campaigns, utilizing the widely accepted payment infrastructure of cards. After selecting your payment method, click Next to proceed to the part where you input your card details. This step is straightforward but requires precision. Ensure that your card number, expiration date, and CVV code are entered correctly to avoid any payment disruptions. Last but certainly not least, after you've entered all relevant card details, the final step is to click Save. This action confirms your payment method, securely storing your card information with Facebook for future ad payments. It's a one-time setup that streamlines your ad payment process moving forward. And there you have it, a complete guide to adding your debit card as a payment method for Facebook ads. Once you've added your card, you're all set to fund your campaigns and begin targeting your audience efficiently. It's a simple process, but one that's crucial for uninterrupted ad delivery and campaign success. Remember to keep an eye on your spending, adjust your budget according to campaign performance, and most importantly, measure your return on investment to ensure your Facebook ads are working hard for your business. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful in setting up your payment method for Facebook ads. With your debit card now linked, you're one step closer to achieving your advertising goals on one of the world's largest social media platforms. Happy advertising!